Hey there, my friend. Let me ask you something. Is it possible that the way you're currently taking Tadalafil is actually holding you back from having the most powerful, rock-solid erections of your life? Think about it. You take the pill, hope for the best, and sometimes it works like a charm, and other times, nothing. That unpredictability, that uncertainty, right when you want to feel confident the most, that's exactly what we're going to fix today. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I've been helping men with erectile challenges for over 5 years, and in this video, I'm going to show you the right way to use Tadalafil. Not a few random tips. I'm talking about proven, step-by-step strategies that can transform your results from frustratingly inconsistent to extraordinary, every single time. Before we dive in, take a moment to hit that like button, drop a comment. I'm curious, where are you watching from? And if you haven't already, subscribe. We've got a lot of life-changing advice ahead. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Tadalafil isn't just another pill. It's a highly effective tool for increasing blood flow to the penis, helping you get and maintain an erection when you're aroused. Simple, right? But here's the twist that changes everything. Unlike many other ED medications that last 4 to 6 hours, Tadalafil can remain active in your system for up to 36 hours. That's a day and a half of opportunity. To put it in perspective, think of other ED pills as sprinters. They give you a short, explosive burst. Tadalafil, it's a marathon runner. It gives you a broad window to be ready whenever the moment arises. And that's why how you take it, not just taking it, is critical. It's not just an on-off switch for an erection. It's a tool you can strategically use to maximize freedom, spontaneity, and confidence. Over the past 5 years, I've guided hundreds of men through using Tadalafil in ways that actually work for them. And I can tell you this, the difference between frustration and success usually comes down to avoiding the common mistakes that most men don't even realize they're making. Let's start by addressing the traps that cause so many men to give up or feel disappointed. Mistake 1, the last-minute mistake. Picture this. The mood is perfect, things are heating up, and you grab a pill hoping it'll kick in instantly. You come back and nothing happens. Or worse, a weak, unreliable erection. It's heartbreaking and can fuel anxiety. Here's why it happens. Tadalafil needs time to be absorbed into your bloodstream, usually 30 minutes to 2 hours, sometimes a little longer depending on your body. Rushing this process is like trying to drive a car before the engine is warmed up. Patience here is your greatest ally. Mistake 2, the one and done mistake. Many men try Tadalafil once or twice, don't get the result they hoped for, and assume it doesn't work. But here's the science. Performance anxiety floods your body with adrenaline, a vasoconstrictor, which directly opposes what Tadalafil, a vasodilator, is trying to do. Your mind and body need time to adapt. My recommendation, try it 6 to 8 times in low-pressure situations before making any judgment. Mistake 3, the bargain hunter mistake. We all want a good deal, right? But when it comes to Tadalafil, cutting corners on quality can backfire. Not all generics are created equal. Some may have inconsistent dosing or fillers that interfere with absorption. Investing a little more in a trusted brand ensures reliability, peace of mind, and the results you deserve. Now that we've cleared away mistakes, let's talk about building your personal strategy. There are 2 highly effective ways to use Tadalafil. Which one is right for you depends on your lifestyle, your frequency of intimacy, and whether you value spontaneity or planned precision. Strategy 1, the always ready approach. This method is perfect for men who want freedom and spontaneity. If intimacy can happen anytime, or if you're dating and don't want to plan around a pill, this is your best option. How it works: take a low dose, 5 milligrams daily at roughly the same time each day, with breakfast, before bed, whenever fits your routine. Why it works. This keeps a steady, effective level of Tadalafil in your bloodstream, so you're always ready. Think of it like keeping your car engine warm instead of starting from cold. Benefits: total spontaneity, increased confidence, and even improvements in urinary symptoms if you have BPH. Trade-offs: requires daily discipline, mild side effects may persist initially, and higher monthly cost. Strategy 2, the on-demand power approach. This approach is ideal if intimacy is less frequent, or you prefer to take the medication only when needed. How it works. Take a higher dose 10-20 milligrams 2-4 hours before sexual activity. Timing is key. Remember, no last-minute pills. Benefits: maximum effect for planned encounters, cost-effective if intimacy is occasional, and psychological confidence boost. Trade-offs: requires planning, less spontaneity, higher chance of short-term side effects, headache, flushing, indigestion. Both methods work. Neither is better. It's about what suits your lifestyle and goals. Can I combine strategies? Some men take a daily 5 milligrams dose and want an extra boost for a special night. Important: do not exceed 20 milligrams in 24 hours. A safer way is to skip the daily dose that day and take the higher on-demand dose instead. Can I split pills to save money? Not recommended. Splitting 20 milligrams pills can create uneven doses, leading to unpredictable results. Consistency is key to reliable erections. Finding your minimum effective dose. More is not always better. Many men find 10 milligrams works just as well as 20 milligrams, with fewer side effects. Experiment in a safe, low-pressure setting to find your personal sweet spot. Here's the truth I want you to hear. Age is not the end of vitality. You can regain control, confidence, and intimacy with small, consistent adjustments. By understanding your body and using Tadalafil correctly, you're not just managing erectile dysfunction, you're reclaiming pleasure, spontaneity, and dignity. Remember, it's a journey. Don't rush. Avoid the common mistakes. Choose a strategy that fits your life. Give your mind and body time to adapt. These steps will create reliable, extraordinary erections that enhance your life and relationships. You now have the knowledge and tools to take control. Tadalafil is not magic, it's a strategic tool, and when used the right way, it can transform your intimacy and confidence. So here's what I want you to do. Like this video, comment below where you're watching from, and subscribe for more life-changing advice. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to extraordinary results. You're not too old, you're not too late. You can have the comfort, freedom, and confidence you deserve. Take control, follow these strategies, and enjoy the extraordinary erections you've been waiting for. You've got this.